Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add multiple accounts on Discord mobile. So let's get started. So if you're trying to add multiple accounts on your Discord mobile, now to do that you just have to open up your Discord application, and after opening up your Discord application, from here you just have to tap on the profile icon or U option, which you can find in the bottom right. And after tapping on that, just tap on the gear icon, which is on the top right. And after tapping on the gear icon, now you will find the following options. Just scroll all the way down and then tap on logout, and then again tap on logout. After tapping on logout, now if you want to log into another account, then what you have to do is just simply enter the account's password and then email. And after doing that, you can easily log into that account. So unfortunately we don't have any shortcut to switch to another accounts, but what you have to do is just simply log out from your current account and then log in with the account that you want to log in with, and that will be logged in. So simply enter the email address and password, and after entering the email address and password you will basically log into your account. But if you have added a two-factor authentication, then you might have to enter a 6-digit code or your security key, and after doing that you will be logged into the other account that you want. So unfortunately we don't have option to switch accounts, but you can use this trick to log into another account on Discord mobile. So that's it guys, this is how to add multiple accounts on Discord mobile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.